we're on. Okay, so this is the Lambo motor with our, it has a Ferrari motor on it right now. Go ahead and slip that plastic over it. Just slip it up in there. This is the original cover. It comes so close to fitting. I think we're going to go ahead and hide it. Hide our Ferrari motor under the Lambo covering and nobody will ever know. But the unit works really well. It's much stronger than the original Lambo motor. Go ahead and pull it off. Turn it over, let's look at the other side of it just for the fun of it. Yeah, and the disengagement for the window crank works. And we'll let it run for a while to break itself in on the new motor. Took quite a bit. Show me that motor plate. So we had to make a motor plate like this to interface the two pieces. And this one ended up not working, which is sometimes the case. It was just a few thousandths of an inch off. The accuracy needed to make the motor shaft concentric with the transmission shift is critical. But we got it. So we're into window lift mode. Thank you.